Tironde anene abana boda 15 no yomo abubono baba bakumutachira nsomo subati yomo sensemo ya Nairobi umusubati yo lengene gari ya ni gabeteka gutuma umuntu litukurie juma ensemo ikorokuna barabara 5 igotoka ensemo ya Nairobi bara ya Wangari Maathai umusubati yo ni gochelenge chinsa 11 ya Marogoba ekateka gutuma umuntu yo muna kumutikira chinko matintindi abana boda balenga ensemo yo nigo mustase gari ya na kumusaga na handako ikakomokorera bikoro by'obusoko egonzekereta abanyanyimbo kurense mugocha na kumutoria omusubati yo kolengana no mukomanda o traffic ase county ya Nairobi niga kwanirege kolekia asate birubuna abana boda bwi 15 no yo munigo abekiru byara mu n'ikipikipiki sano ikaboniga igochi abekiru byara maiga yaburwikiraniga korokyo obusoko asoko mutachira nsomo subati yo maiga yo gokora umubasikano bwebara nigo chinga kiche gotebekana buna maiga yo musubati yo lenge negari yaye gote magotama iliwe tuli kurwa samoko y'abana boda nigo bamusaganete ase chinguru iwe kiraboniga omukomando traffic ase county yo atebiribuna igo bagendreta sobutukubonde komanya abande bali bebwateneti ase kolekyo aso kunyara kumusagana na kumukorera bikoro by'obusoko musubati yo ase nsemo ya barabara 5 ebarene ya Wangari Maathai ase county ya Nairobi rituko lijuma.
I'm the officer in charge of traffic in Nairobi. A female motorist being molested by bodabodas at Barabara 5 along Wangari Maathai Road. The first clarification I want to make is that the incident did not take place today. The incident took place on Friday at around 5 p.m. where this female motorist was driving her car from Limuru side. On reaching Barabara 5, an accident occurred where she knocked a pedestrian who was seriously injured. In that event, she stopped, and in her stopping, she was accosted by the bodabodas, and she attempted to flee, drive away for her safety, which to our side was in order. In the event, she was cornered by the bodabodas and molested the way the clip is. And in that circumstance, our officers were not far away from that end. They rushed to save this female motorist. And in that event, they dragged her so fast to her back seat, and one of our drivers drove her away from the scene where she was being accosted. The lady was not able to record any statement by then. She was much traumatized. And as we are talking now, I want to clarify and assure you right away now that 16 bodabodas, 5 motorcycles have already been impounded. The 16 riders are in cells at Parklands police station, and the operation still goes on.